Good afternoon, country people them. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side so for Equinox Tori House. Today, Saturday, number 14 day for number 7 moon 2018. And for Tori for this afternoon, we get plenty thing there for talk. Sabi say Nkunkuma Sesep, e be make he announce, say go turn up for vote for 2018 for get new Nkunkuma for country. Isesep na I carry Jean Kwete, e go leave book from Nkunkuma yesterday for people them for Elekam. Na then say they go shidon for start look whether all the book them from Nkunkuma is correct. And Sabi say for inside the week too, we be get plenty thing the way be happen for country. We go turn back, palava insecurity for inside Douala, and even palava way Grant and go say e be day for Douala for show people them say chop where they get for buy and for get for people them for Northwest Southwest. It already be prepared. Now for 17 they go start for tonton for get that chop them. It no be day now only chop zinc and even plank where they go take bills some house them plus small thing there they go help the people them for work farm. All them na we Grant and go e can show and so for we yesterday palava .2 for Douala we go bring her all say make we try for talk and bed no na me one I go talk that one. I want say good afternoon for my changer them. Reverend Christian, you come on arrive for that side so for Limbe.
Yeah.
Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, Ambassador. I want to thank God for this day.
Okay. All right. Jules Nana, Yusef, you be persuade office the Sabi. Come good. Mola.
Thank you very much, Ambassador.
All right, so can the people them make we start Tori in the proper, make we start for do this thing as well the start. Can the people them just for Sabi say inside Tori for this afternoon. We go start now with the palava for waiting, palava for Nkunkuma. That one at the same Tori way. After we plenty people them they don't call it, plenty people them they don't call it, calling people them now for Sika why that way ISSF he don't talk say he go turn up for inside the vote say if he no join hand with other people them for say me they fight and for say me they make Cameroon it be one make Cameroon go now only for before no other person no go be so now for Twitter when Nkunkuma he announced now the first time we they do that kind of thing for inside a country. Now, as we talk for now, Jean Kwete, the Secretary General for Inside Palava for CPDM, na SSA carry book from Nkunkuma go lebam, it be then at 3 o'clock, time when they go left Nkunkuma book. I will start with you, Reverend Christian. It be surprise you, say Nkunkuma go turn out for votes. I be say since we talk say many people there they look out vote, they start for prepare. He never talk no nothing. We only want see na for Twitter, pam, it be just de la bomb. It surprise you?
It surprised me, Ambassador, because the silence for Nkunkuma all this while, people the starting to get another feeling. Say, as a father, this time to me, you want go rest. So me other person too. Me see how the other people then too they feel try to manage a country too. The way they feel manage them. So if they surprise me one, maybe some there are many people that be surprise them. Say it to say after the hour, he decide say once he continue for rule as president. But nevertheless, we still give you chance as a president. Sometimes get a better plan more than the one way we don't forget them for us. We don't know. But as a campaign going to go on, we believe and say they going to experience of those plans the way they get our country. I don't know, but I believe and say for me. Even if I be advice where if I say me you go read the papa, so that you see what way other people into the do for the nation.
All right, we go turn back for also for the same palava. Mola Nana, time where you see the thing as I say all not all we did for 100 people then we did for 100 country now so now for Sika Wida and Nkunkuma say enter now for inside Twitter for announce, inu make noise, ijo announce. Time where you see that thing for your thingy, your 100 thing. You be surprised?
Me, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Why? Because one, the Cameroon Constitution give you that utmost right for say, may at least may it continue if you put a candidature again for be president. I'm not surprised. Say that so it decide for be candidate again because that person will be that's some surprising man where they were doing things and people anyway waiting for two they do them. We're waiting for right, it will go for left. So when I hear yesterday say put it here, I just say okay, good and fine. Maybe you best know why he decides, say, for this age of 85, if he want continue, he work with Ron Statham. So we just wait for see.
Now, you sabi say before Nkunkuma be one made the announce, plenty people that they don't talk. So table newspaper they said that they write whether after he talks, say maybe people there they prepare for vote, may they prepare, he never talk no nothing. Plenty people they don't start checking, maybe don't the year advice with the biggie for say make it rest, make it left the people them, may other people then continue. Plenty people newspaper that they don't write. So I want to have as you feel say for back the Kunkuma book where they go live and so you feel say no na so other name there for say check say na the Kunkuma them say they but what plenty people they usually I say they like say Kunkuma surprise people them. He don't first surprise people them for Twitter. Then you feel say so other surprise they when Kunkuma they keep on for some side.
Yeah, I don't see any surprise before background because if at all
you not check say that thing now only some maybe they say na Kunkuma but inside that file say no surely be.
No, I'm not sure because at least if you say you see Director General for Civil Cabinet and Secretary General for maybe Central Committee, Mr. Jean Kwete, they really decide for go give that kind, for give his own candidature. Then more to that, they will meet the ELECAM members then. Except if not just a secret where all they decide they will keep them. Even if so, I feel say so if some TBB hidden, like major they will be aware.
Now, plenty people them they check, say maybe if Nkunkuma if for talk say no go turn up, maybe thing there for balance more.
Yeah, I believe and say if Kunkuma be deciding no stand up, if many people are happy for the sense say so the one for life will see another new blood for the leader of Cameroon leadership. And I believe and say na wait way most people them they want for see. Like if you see like France, you see Macron, he's a young man, he got aspirant vision with new ideas. So when people they come like that,
and then cut to Reverend, they don't say power she done for ground in the city we even.
I agree with that partner, but the one thing of partner say if you look at leader of leadership, part to the train Peking, part to the given for Peking to me Peking to type of season due to a parent training me do am. And also Kukuba don't train people them too. Kukuba he don't stay for power, he don't train people, he don't raise people up. People they were in and out of Cameroon way, he don't bring them up. So it's will give them two chances. Una two una try for what you don't think una see so that many people to the say and say that's what the country it waka.
Alright, and we will remain for inside that chapter for Palava for candidate. Just so Sabisa, apart from Kunkuma, they be drop a book yesterday. Even Maurice came to SSF, he be go levy book for people them for vote. Where they look at the Palava for vote yesterday. Sabisa na them 3 just now, where they already give their name them. Other party that they prepare with the SA SDF, he own, he go prepare maybe inside the week. Anytime they go give him. One person to be making name, say he go turn up for the chapter for vote, but he never go give book. Now Jean-Jacques Ekindi for Progressive Party, where he be turn up, he be talk for Tory people them inside the week, say he want turn up for this Palava for vote. And according to Jean-Jacques Ekindi for inside, he talk with Tory people them, he try for talk say if they vote for put it for A to D, Palava for country where they talk say they know if you ever talk the kind nature where country get for B, he go bring back federal state, he go make na 11, then one federal state where he go be now where they look at the 10 other federal state them, he go be now for that side from Fundi. Apart from that one, according to Jean-Jacques Ekindi, if they vote it, they put it for that side, so for inside A to D. School Palava, he say go look school program, all that kind of exam the way they write away no make sense. He say talk say Probatwana one, he go clear and put her for one side. For business side, he say go put plenty money for inside internet, for see as well he go give plenty money for inside country. And for education for side for justice, he go bring some commission where he own work now for shy eye for all people them way they take choco. According to Jean-Jacques Ekindi, he say go turn out for vote, but as well talk, he never fit for or he never yet give own book them as way all people they give. Sabi say last day where they give book for candidate them now number 19 day for inside this month. Now Mola Jules Nana, when we hear all talk with Jean-Jacques Ekindi don't talk, he talk Palava federated state them of federalism, he talk say exam the way no mean sense, he go move on for game, he talk say Palava for business sites, he put plenty money, now for internet, say now that one I don't say they give plenty money now, then site for law sites, with plenty choco don't be, he say go put commission way owner for the shy eye, any man will do something. Well, we sabi say campaign will start official for September 24, but if you say na Sudmop we already start and so.
Mr. Ambassador, I feel say Cameroonians in this time don't really be matured when it comes to elections and campaign speeches them. Because when we hear some candidates them, they give you some certain promises them, we just get for look, they will laugh. And most of them therefore judge them from their past. Person like this one way, I think, even get up to 10 municipal councillors. Then he wants say he give free promises there, he want federalism, he want this one, and so on and so forth. It just make me laugh. Who said we be ever since? Why not maybe at the eve of an election where they start giving this kind of promises? I ask all Cameroonians and say, may they try for judge all the candidates from their past actions then and how they see them in the future. Wanna just embrace them because they don't promise when I say maybe capital go come your own they go na from Ngaoundé produce the glass say yes this man will vote this man. No, we get for be very serious. We don't pass that age. Say this, so we get for limit ourselves for story we put go tell for radio or television. So I feel so.
All right, Reverend Christian, all promise them we Jean-Jacques Kini don't do am. If he say nothing way, if true, na he win, he go feel for bring that into reality.
For me, when I look this campaign speeches and where this our politician they have for Cameroon, I look at lesson one like say na just a dream, because I believe and say when you want to give that kind of speech, what you don't do am first, what if you show for the people say. Instead this thing, I don't do one, I don't do one, I don't do one. Where I know the big president. Now I the big president, I go do more, I go do more. The system for Cameroon, maybe normally we are inside we have a country where it get law. You understand? And anything who call you one, it talks say na so because people the way they claim say they vote, they go do so. They get their own different thinking where they think. I don't believe and say it is a 10-state federation. I don't think say sometimes you see man for our English side go tell 10 federation, he go accept that one. He go look until they say na some play. They say the John Ajo because we know history for Cameroon. I will know how will be a federal republic of Cameroon. And if you want to say 10 states again, mean they say you want take Englishman say own way for this now you want change them. I will know figuring them. So we need for being truthful.
It's 11.
11. So
yes,
be 11 states.
And the 10 federated states, then for it will look like the region they will get now. Then one way it will be like na headquarter way will be for Fundi.
In fact, now what you talk and say you tie rope and then you go for some man and the whole rope. The shoes are not going to change. But I'll give you an example. Now for our country, now we talk about decentralization. And they talk about 10-state federalism. Already it is happening. You see, like if you go now, for example, now you look the way our system of country don't put in place. You look and say, people president the way other president they control them. This for the fact, like for example, I'll give you a clear example. I don't go for Camtel for Limbe. We ask society to go for Douala. When eventually you say that Douala control Camtel for Limbe. You go for Bausan, they say go for Bamenda, you go for Bamenda, say go for Bamenda. When you say, when we talk about 10 one state federation or whatsoever, say this one, this one. It means that already go on now. It's a new thing. As my brother talk for you, say the only thing can fool we now for campaign species. Then for tell we say the Bible say we shall know them by their fruit. Which fruit you don't produce them for Cameroonian the way you want to say see my fruit where I don't produce them. Judge me by my fruit. So now by their fruit we judge them. If you never put anything, and once you play with some man don't say okay, I don't give it. Now we get problem for Boko Haram. North and Southwest. How many of them don't carry 8 go and for some other people them? We start the vote come out. Now those the simple people they go vote now. How don't show they don't sympathize with them for the still where they cry, for the suffer where they suffer. The house why the house don't burn, the one way they die for bush, the one not get a medical facility. How they don't these people, these politicians them? What action they don't take them for sure? Say so they really be with the people. They didn't show them. So now you can't tell a story for media say you go do this. Once see what we first do before you tell us what we could do tomorrow.
Now at the big talk with all people that they try for talk now for our side, they try for us. Plenty people that they check say better all the opposition they plenty so better make all them they join one. Then they see as they go fight for before. But certain now never feel for you that when you check say the confusion first for opposition side, it go make and sitting them the vote to go strong more for their side.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador. This situation really shows how far even with opposition leaders can be very, very immature. Why? Because they will really know say so anytime from now election will get for take place. They will get for unite or think on how for give a single candidate. And now where they saw the deadline on the 19th of this month. Today already I think the 13th. So we'll get just 6 more days. I don't see say they so it be easy again for say they unite for bring out a candidate. So it could be very difficult. But anyway, I feel say so it no still be very late. They will still deposit their candidates show them, and at the dying minute, some person just withdraw, say, okay, I ask my followers, I made a vote this person, I go still work. Though for this particular moment, I know say this so CPTM, it be sure forget a landslide victory because it is so Northwest and Southwest, it be displaced. And the law states say if this will be registered now for Kumba, you don't go vote for Boya. You must go for Kumba. The one they in Nigeria also they go vote with their maybe their voters card, they be sure say they are polling stations they didn't for the other side. So it will really be difficult. So now an added advantage around here for one party.
Now, before we talk this palaver for opposition, we sabi say inside the we don't read plenty Tory people there in Nigeria say they don't talk as we almost 38 party them they want join for fight Buhari for their own election. If you say referendum, a better example that
the Bible
for copy for this.
Yes, as you know, the Bible says, "United we stand." When we now unite for one front for overcome one particular thing, we must surely succeed. Because the people say Cameroon politicians they never understand the what it means for unite for one particular front. They never understand. People, our politicians be too self-centered. Any man want for show himself. Any man want for show himself. Which means if you look at other way from like me, if I want to look at my own way for Josham, they don't think about us. They think about themselves. They think about themselves. They think about us. So we just pray say this. So as Nigeria don't council the one join for one thing for attack Buhari for election board, and if they say they will succeed for which way they do them. As if Cameroon they need to practice all those things so that for change for come, and after that change come now they start to ask themselves how will we do now for make this change that may be a reality for our country.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador, me a few say so. Nigeria be quite different from Cameroon. Nigeria they practice federalism, and with their own system, at least some government of some particular state, it get right for take a decision so they respect them. It be different from the centralized system of government we get for Cameroon. When minister finish done for Yaoundé, even called Dio, where they for inside Douala, Iwani. So I don't want to meet this particular person or this particular company or this particular party they match. So it could be very, very difficult. And secondly, Cameroon, Anglophones and Francophones, they get two different cultures. Two different. Francophone my culture be really based on Ibele. You will call Francophone, I tell you, say yes. Maybe you be opposition man. You know this person. He accept. At the time minute, just as you call, he tell you, say, okay, you know something. If at all, say, maybe you decide, say, you go maintain your own candidate as future president, and maybe they don't keep you like some 500 million, you go accept. You go forget about his own personal right. You go say no better. So we get two different cultures. So it be very, very difficult. Say for unite now, and not things that will even be possible.
Okay.
It's too late.
And the problem of the accounting and bad say, what you my brother talk for this, it be very obvious. You see, Englishman get values, then we value too much. Englishman value integrity and respect. But if you look at the French system, for example, better give an example what happened for my four just for a few days back. Now some French guys begin tell me this story, but I just come out of me to them. When many people don't come past, they hit some man where it never for out of road, he hit the man for bush himself. If I don't say such a kiss man, say oh papa. You see, we don't get regard of the life of human life. And those things the way where it happens so they make people now they need to feel say the government or the people the government they never protect the citizen. Englishman get value. Englishman value na say what you have responsibility for you for build power and of the people. And if you do for power, you not be able to protect the people, they will vote you down. You understand? But for a system of Cameroon here, how many people don't resign? How many people stand to say I don't resign for not being government official because of this reason of this reason? No one. You know what my brother talk because all my time of Ibele, you want to resign tomorrow, say no, if you resign, it could be a problem. Well, I will give you 2 million if your account. The money should require. And the problem now with first of Cameroon today, they need to take care of the common man. Imagine people the way they go out, they give them small 500 or 1,000 for go vote. After they all finish vote, what is the fate of those people? That's the question. What is the fate? They leave them now to themselves. They suffer. So when they don't even suffer for other people vote, can't run with them. They don't risk their life until they don't even ask when he die. He don't go. You don't win. He there for power. He forget. What are they waiting? That will be a problem. That's how our country operates.
All right, just for remind we, as we this chapter for vote for getting Kunkuma di Wakam, na tiwo don't toss you get for do am so take that time it pass. Make we see we own small calendar will make am for as we this palava for vote for getting new Kunkuma for country go pass. July 9, na we in Kunkuma say the sign book for talk for people there they look of votes, so may they start prepare. July 19, na last day for candidate them for give all their name them. One day they want turn up for drag rope, putting Kunkuma on touch now. Number 8 day for August moon, na the last day or na the day that where they go give name them for people that way elect people they don't select, say they go turn up for president vote. September number 24 day, we go get time we swim up, it go start. Now they do two campaigns, say that. Then October 7th, say na Sunday, now the day that we go get the vote. So now we own calendar that, we will go the show now, remind you now all time, they did them for inside this chapter for vote. So the time for vote, it reach. We go left palava for elections, palava for president candidates. We go take una enter now so for chapter for insecurity for inside Douala here con the people them. Week we just finish, we be get plenty case them. The one na man with the cash away they make na fake Mami Bakala them. Now for Jandam unit for this side so for Beseke place where they ever make mash for big Gando them. Now for they pick deep at the man where he own work. Now for they make fake Mami Bakala them plenty them. Then he use them full people them for outside. So Jandam people them they picky they put it for counter one time as well they also make investigate. But Sabi say before Jandam they want picky plenty people they don't complain for say they don't give them fake Mami Bakala for outside. When you see them. You go fit say na correct man, but all the thing they will say hold and so for a hand, na so fake Mami Bakala them way he get them. Make we take una go for another chapter for so for thief, palava insecurity for Douala the week. We go take una talk this other 3 thief people them where they be cash them inside the week. Healthy boy them way they trump better, where they feel enter say for farm, work farm, or they even do their small push truck for see as they go money life. The cash them for Douala here for under than Dokoti place, they call it a tunnel from Dokoti, where they don't come out for that side, so from Konsaba where they go thief Okada. And as they bring them, they try for as they try for as the Musa they come out, they want Tonton place and they be get some back. That the bag where they be get them, na Bobolo, it be there inside the bag, according to them. They no sabi say to them for far away any bag where they cash up. They go sabi say gun dey inside. Now the pikin and that 1998 pikin, 1982, 1994, all them na young boy them wey dey fit enter for start do better work. Now make we look wetin wey be dey inside that the bag wey dey be tell we say na bobolo, e be dey for inside. Make we see the bobolo wey be dey inside the bag wey Ketu dey be cash am with the 3 boy them for that side so from Dokoti. Make we enter for this chapter for see una mo enter inside the bag the bobolo wey dey be carry am wey dey be argue with Ketu people them say make we enter for inside another thing con the people them make we try for enter for inside the number 2 palava for this place. We come back for this side, we take on go for the other side. We talk this palava for this bag where the people they be carry waiting be there inside the bag, they be tossing a bobolo. Now the bobolo then that we be there inside the bag, they be buy bobolo, put them on top, then they be get the automatic you shake a shoot with one way it is so they be don't make them for inside. And plus that one, knife sese be there for inside the bag, na bullet then that for the one way they make them for country, the you shake a shoot and the automatic one sese that touch and even plaster now for time up for any of the man with the cash am that rope too now for so tie the hand. So now the cargo then that way be there inside the bag where they buy bobolo. Put them on top where they cover them. So now the another set that for the people them will be shown inside this week we'll just finish. Now so for inside Douala here where they cash all the one then so call the people them. We go enter now for so another chapter for case for thief. The one in own case, it then a different one. They calling a waiting, they calling a Rodrigue. He na the number how many time this, na the number how many time make we enter, we go jump, make we turn back for that bikini on after, maybe we'll talk this small one. Now, Douala for Cameroon, Douala, the week we pass, na so thief case them. You see young boy there, they be fit for work. Small young boy them, where they be fit for work, but they don't decide for enter na for thief. And you get the other case for that boy where they make fake money, fake Mami Bakala them, the fool people them for outside.
Mr. Ambassador, before one begin, thumbs up for all maybe uniform officers and for the work they do so far. Because it all side now for Cameroon, especially when you leave Douala, for Southwest or Northwest, control them too much. And if those control enough for be sometime, even for Douala, if one just don't put that gun for my neck. This one being as a result of this thing that happened for this country. From Boko Haram right up to Southwest and Northwest, so many Cameroonians they don't lost their jobs. So many Cameroonians they be stranded. So many of them they be separated from their families. And the solution, I say, most of them they come back for South, they come back for littoral or Western region. When they come for they don't get anything doing, they be exposed to some of those crime waves. So, and if at all say this one put an end to this thing, that humanitarian aid with government not put into place. We don't think only on the Southwest and North. We think about the other regions, the way that they receive those abandoned people them. Because
we will surely come back for that one.
We'll come back for that. Because when we see this kind young boys them where they don't start making fake money, yes, I condemn them. But you know, now just because they don't get anything doing at this particular moment, they be frustrated. When they come for inside Douala, they don't even get house to go stay. They don't get money to go rent house. They don't get things for chop. Now why the devil they enter their mind, may they start doing what they like for Douala? We know correct. You go see young boy, so young boy, he be less than 30 years of age. He don't register no for use gun. He don't register use maybe knife or fighting for take money. Not because he no be occupied. If at all, so they just take a decision, say, okay, they will revise some of those companies, they be closed, or some of those companies, where they cry, say, they want to close their doors, them. So that they recruit more young people, them. This thing will reduce. So they do one voluntarily, according to me. But anyway, I hope so this our uniform officers, and they will do their best for reduce what will happen.
Now, Reverend, we don't see the case for Douala. Now, just 2 of the 4 cases we'll get for talk this afternoon. Case for thief, and the first case, if then a boy we use hate, as we go talk, if they use hate for make fake Mami Bakala them, for fool people them. Other one, they come up from Konsamba, they go thief Okada, they enter Douala where they pick them. Now, if you say waiting, if they cause all the kind condition, then where the boy then they disturb young healthy boy.
I'm telling you, you know, Bible says an idle man is a devil workshop. Most of these boys, as my brother talked, they be idle, and government need to do enough for make employment maybe accessible for all the youth of Cameroon. Cameroon get money. Cameroon be poor country. Our country be poor country, ambassador. Our country is a rich country, money day. But the problem say this level of corruption and embezzlement, it don't drain our country good and then put our youth them. They do what they do and so. When you see that man go make fake money, they be say like I'm going to make fake money. Not because he define his own way for live his own life for live his life. Because his life is strong now. Actually, if you look at going around the whole Cameroon now, things don't be hard. Especially the crisis we get them today. It can be very hard. So any man you find way them for do money, for make his own ends, it means those 2 young guys, that 3 young guys where they work at thief. So what did it be as a result of curse or bad luck? I put it that way. Where they for family. But sometimes they prefer they don't push them, they don't talk them, cause they picking them where they don't know, and it affect they picking them, and they work at do things they unconsciously because it's not gonna be proper for you for the thing say if you kill human being when you are not to say and you not say you two will die or you could die one day. Now a conduct and a curse, and so those things they need for government for promote cancelling institutions them around the country for the text of God. Armed robbery not for just say when you catch armed robber you go put out of prison. No, you need for first of all cancel. No, what will happen? If you take some of these prisoners, they ask them questions, they will look say someone so out of frustration. So one of them because they, you know, something they push them, one they don't even know what will happen before they do them. The spirit behind them. You don't force them to do what way they do them. But all these things, if we get a proper way for handling the situation for our country, you look as the country will move well. You don't get young guys the way they decide to take arms for fight for this thing. Now they see they use arms because they define their own way for live. And so of they do and so they be accompanied with the military people them. Because these people that say Konsamba, they don't come for Konsamba, they carry for years. So they make control for we see how they move control, they put for down, they charge them. So they need to know what's inside the bank, they be charged, so they can't carry for Douala here. So you look at it, say everybody before be aware. The government need for take sensation out for sensitize the public, and then as my brother talk, job that won't be lost now. Many people lost their job now. So we go for southwest, northwest now. So put job on the day. CDC said that they already worse. People they didn't even work for CDC said they didn't give them, they didn't pay them. So when they don't even move them. So when they don't want to say they fear, say they don't move them for work. And with all these things, don't know say you work for CDC. You demand sometimes you tell us more 20,000, and then for 1 week or month and why some money, they can't say they don't move you for work. They don't give you nothing. What the next thing you go do? You look left, right. What you go do? So all those things they play, rules them for cause this insecurity in the country. And if the government don't work hard, the level of this insecurity will increase. And it could be for one way, they don't get attend me and you now again. They will go for government offices them, for bank them, for replace them. And that one could be one way, it could be very terrible.
All right, so for Inside Chapter 40, we take on go for Mbopi Baptist Hospital for the week 2 where it passed. We'll be talking about this small pikin, some newborn baby. When every day even she don't say with him mommy for even one day, some man he be struggle for can't small Joshua, a mommy named na Comfort with the job born him. Mommy talk say be come out for go buy small tea for outside for drink him before he did so. He had be the court, he one can we no see picking, but lucky to say for outside security people then say their eye they be shine for say they see some one boy Jean Baptiste when a security man for that side. Now he say he makes that so he see this man we carry picking, ask him plenty question and so the man he start on top up now for the way they cash him. Last the man he the talk say he now he be sent now for some church for Bonaberry side, but according to Tori the enter for the EM, that same man he hate in the paplane. Sabi say palava for thief, picking them for dualam, no be a strange thing, but when you see the kind of one where you just born your picking, you never even hold the picking for one day, the one can trouble for thief the picking, that one for say thank you God. National.
Ambassador, no man of the way he go born a picking. A very tender picking will see small so and then say me some can thief. Well, for that situation, I will look and say I thank the guard them for the sensitivity where they be get away, they be able to trace that picking and then bring that picking back because that one will put pain for that mommy. That kind of mommy so for that he die because on one end the way he want even bother one picking, don't know how he don't way picking no see him, and then that one picking don't come and then someone can carry him before way go with him. So we thank God for that security guard we don't do that will work. But I want to one thing and say, you see, some people in the way when they commit a crime society, we want hold them, we want go for fire, they'll come and put up a church.
Yeah, because the man talks say
yes,
church man.
He talks about church man.
Yeah,
that's what they do. And now why that you see?
For
yes, and now why you see people only do investigation and people don't do this in a church. People start get angry church and people and they do so. Church people they do church. No, you want to ask anything, find out. Church na a place of moral values. Church na a place for big people the way they be beneficiary to the society.
Now they used to tell some of the pastors then they need for take this small picking them for make power.
But actually, see, Bible even talks in the latter days there will be false teachers, there will be false prophets, there will be false this one. Now why that we need for dictate who will be false one and who will be false one. So when something happen like that one, you trace to the source and find out to see which way they put it, the one are true or a lie. So that means no give us false information. But we just thank God, say God don't save that woman a Pekin, and we pray say government get for do more for put even more security for our hospital them, and for make sure say that woman me then give small dash for that man. We work with them work out because that's all the motivate Cameroonians them.
If that Pekin for go,
if that Pekin go on a whole problem on its own. Yeah. The water people get for give dash for that security man. Government system get for give dash for that security officer. For make and say me appreciate and so other officers them they will take responsibility. Ambassador, before I end, now the thing that we want to say more country be when you be for your office, you be responsible. You be accountability. Accountability that say what you make sure say the thing you want to me do if you be security guy, you do it well. So I mean no corruption or some small trouble. No can pass a kind of problem with it. If you all more for the country, get that sensitivity in mind from up to bottom. I say our country not for the way we did now so.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador. I think so I will first give an encouragement to those security men, guys, and for day. And at least I will encourage to the hospital where at least rules and regulations may be respected so that if any person will want go out with a strange thing, they get for call it, they investigate. Then encouragement too for this young woman where we get for lossy picking. God be our helper. he don't see Pekin back. Then this person where they say it thief, if one thief, the Pekin, they say this so na church. I don't know if it's a church goer or a church man. But now, we're not going for limit ourselves just because we're not yes in a person where they go church. We're going for investigate, ask you what to motivate you to go take the Pekin. Now, especially be sending me go take him. What to be behind in mind? If you take the Pekin for go do it with time, like a newborn baby. But all the same, I just only thank God. Say the Pekin, they don't succeed for taking go. So I thank God.
All right, last story for this afternoon, or last story we will left before we come on for chapter for thief. We take una go for this other palabra for thief. We will be getting to inside the week. Now some boy where they call it say Rodrigue, they say now the number 4 time where they be taking go for that side, so for Gendarme place. Now for Beseke side, they say the first 3 times, Ebidon Tonton, lawyer they make choco, they levy for court. But last, calling people them, this man where they call it say Rodrigue, Ebi one run, as well gendarme man, Ebi losen small. One time, they picking up for a foot, calling people them, now for a foot with the same bullet, now inside water this, where the man, Ebi one run enter for inside, where one time, gendarme people they say they no go levy go, they shoot it for a foot. As we talk, he don't enter for gendarme put their hand plenty time, but anytime they take it go court, they di choco for court, they levy. This time, we no be there, and according to the big man say for gendarme, they belong can give them 300,000 for say make the levy go, but they so deny. Well, as well the man be one run, now for the way they take waiting gun, shoot it. So, Seydou Abakachi when a big man for gendarme place or Beseke side, now SSF a catch this young boy where they call him say Rodrigue, we be one run. Now, Mola, if you say na better work they do am for shoot the man in foot, Sabi say aso don't talk. Now the number 3 time that the first 3 times they go court a levy go after we choco day.
If court be levy go, we have to ask ourselves why court be levy go. Court be levy go because they will say they so it will be guilty, or court be levy go because they become plead. But me, I prefer for leaving myself for the sense they so they believe it because they will be guilty. Then if again they find me for gendarmerie with run lucky, I ask myself say this so we not get psychologists them for gendarmerie stations where at least when they see person run carriers for the first, second, third time, they fit try for advising, discouraging regarding the things they already do them indirectly. We'll get at least people then for this country well qualified where they need for send person like this Rodrigue for them, so that may try for give them advice, for try for discourage them, may they don't do this thing the way they do them again. Then just of the fact that they saw these gendarme people that decide for shooting for a food, me I not encourage that one. I don't encourage them. Why? Because they so
if they know for shooting food, they know for fit for cashing.
Why they know for cashing?
If they don't really enter water, they swim for run. How they for money cashing?
Gendarme before one be gendarme. Training, una they enter inside mud, una even swim for inside. Poto, una they swim for inside. Una run, una jump over fence. A big part of the training. They begin for show, put into practice the training they don't receive them. Person for even jump inside poto go catch you with hand, so that at least on the 1st of July they won't put that gallon. They will not say yes, this man be jump inside hole. Because now for take gun shooting, jumping and say sometimes that man will never even get a gun.
But they don't will get for mine say they want kill it. They want jump make and we no go fit for run so that they catch it easy. Even
if they say it be a self defense, Rodrigue want the run so they get gun for a hand. Where the fear say no if he kill another person. Even if they say they saw the boy look Rodrigue, when I for me for tell me say Rodrigue if he run past gendarme where they run undertake a training, me I just feel say they so at least commander the time major for Douala get for give. He get for push all gendarmes and say every Sunday morning, any brigade, all the gendarmes they come for day, do thorough sports,
and
run.
And they enter to for inside poto.
They never enter to for inside poto. A big part of, a big continuation for their training.
Okay, Reverend Christian, did it happen? So what you get for?
What I was talking say, the general don't do a very good thing. For cash, this man will they don't give report say you don't owe the thief. And I want to talk say ambassador say what you will see for this our video now or for this what you have Rodrigue say our country be too corrupt. Even for the level of the judiciary, they be too corrupt from every angle because if you person like he don't thief go for court because for what you don't talk and nana He say as a cash in, they can't get 300,000. We mean say the family they don't look and they say the man don't be like a habit for you for the thief. In fact, it don't take habit stealing like part of a profession. You understand now? It's like a perfect profession. We mean say if you can go for corner, people can go for back way. They go. Sometimes get a risk. Sometimes kind of a wealthy family. It don't know how sometimes you get on this, and sometimes all this is kind of because of curses and to the thing what you do and we fine. Sometimes it's people they work for public service, so be very careful because you don't some man they might be talk some bad talk way. You go, I think you will be a big man, you get money, they are picking up to see people them all for quarter. You so be very careful because sometimes you want evidence of that of responsibility way that people because now they can't get 300 times. Say the people in a family in a way to do family, but they can't bribe so that people come out. I just thank God. I don't pray and say I believe say even for Bible, people the way they cause havoc in society, they need to face the law. They need to face the law because the Bible talks about what it say. We should say any adversary, any one way it bring you problem, it bring you in the grip for take that one for follow the law. Me law take a course, but if the law it take a course for the right way, I'm not sure say Rodrigue if for the outside do one because for what the news people don't get I say if me say don't go for police for court, they put it for they go choco, they move on. They go choco, they move on. I believe I say now so Rodrigue needs spiritual counseling. No, I do counseling. I'm a counselor, so I talk now as a counselor.
Okay.
First of all, you don't do train as a counselor.
All right.
You need for training. You need for now counsel Rodrigue for know the strength. The source of what way the cause Rodrigue for behave so. Because it be a number of say man thief today, you catch you go for court, you go lucky tomorrow you come out. You see what thief. Means some force there behind him where it make him do what way they do him. And that force I believe is the force of the devil, satanic forces. Where they pushing me go to so one day they went in sometimes the court will not know and that court now because they'll be uncomfortable with the court that the second push for some kind of thing so they will find a way to easy key them.
All right, last story for this afternoon before we come out. Pa Atango or Gra Atango, Minister for Territorial Administration, Ebide Douala, early Friday morning time, he can show with the chop the way the money the way they don't join them, they don't buy them. You get chop sesep, you get sardine, you get grano oya, you get soap, you get toothbrush, you get rice, you get small kind chop them where it is so they don't buy them plenty. Cement sesep it be there for inside that kako the way they buy them, even zinc, plank. And other thing the day we grant and go, it can show we for this and say nothing that they don't buy them for say me they help people them for northwest and southwest so they hear bad. And apart from the plan them, even hoe, shovel, small thing them for work farm too, a day where they join or buy them. They say Douala, it go be one of the center there, they go descend the thing there for outside and other place them the day. So nothing that way be make grant and go can Douala early morning time, it be wrong go back for Yawende, for Sika say stranger, it be there for town. Now we go talk some more what time don't finish. When you sitting where they happen, the money where people they don't join and plenty. If you say na better work, we they show we.
Well, Ambassador, I thank God say na better work they try for do am, but I don't believe and say that work they do now so you know go fit solve the crisis way it already go on. Because no matter to for that cement them, plan they buy them. The one being the Hamlin house for Kwakwa, or the one being the Hamlin house for Kembo. And the other villages where they don't be born. And now as we see talk now, so they see born villages them, they see born places them. So you know if you talk to you repair some things them or you try to do some things and why you still do this, you still commit the same crime. So instead, the what I believe the government so for do now for go for the root cause, go for dialogue, sit down, solve this problem for once and for all. Rather than for say the one by that thing a good initiative. So when they carry food, they go, they give it people, they're fine. But the problem I say, how many of the people don't be displaced with all the tomato inside bush? You want to come out, they shoot you, military they shoot you, and all the rest. How far if you should say they'll give a car coming to the government because the one go not go let them, they go military, and they don't be used to say military them, they attack them. So what do you do?
But you sabi say military, then do the get people then chop for a mujok. You sabi that one?
I need to deny. I'm not just military don't do them. Okay. But the point is instead the very military as they get chopped to. They so will stop the way they do and for sure shoot people down for don't do some kind of things them, burn places them. They so will stop those things. You feel I feel they give you chop.
Sabi say if I get for leaving for talk, you talk.
No, not anyone.
My time
it doesn't the highway, ambassador. It doesn't the highway. It doesn't the highway. I pinch you and then you cry and then I show to say give you hang me why be eye. But why they pinch you? They want move the have to pinch you now. You go stop cry. So me they move the hand up where they pinch people they cry. So they will stop cry.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador. I ask myself, so since they don't just buy these goods and when they get for give those people them, they will identify those needs and when. I don't know.
And great tango be don't talk say they don't identify all them. They don't do all the thing. They don't do all that. So they sabi all corner where they dey.
Okay, but we hope so. Because now they don't go buy those things that they get for take and now go for the various areas and go give out the people them. Meanwhile, on the field, like how presently Akumot Southwest, some villages they really be empty. I don't know if they say they'll reach now for the one call report they don't desert those areas then may they come take their own where they give for them. All they will do now how. Anyway,